Looking for the best help desk software? Kayako versus LiveAgent, which is the best? In this video, we'll break down both platforms, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses, and by the end, you'll know which one is right for your business, or if there's a better alternative you should consider. Let's start with Kayako. It's an established player in the help desk software space, offering a clean, straightforward interface. Kayako has a strong multi-channel support system, meaning you can handle emails, live chats, and social media messages all in one place. However, it's not perfect. The setup can be a bit complicated, and customer service features like ticket management can feel a bit rigid compared to other options. Next, let's talk about LiveAgent. Similar to Kayako, it's built to offer multi-channel support. Email, live chat, and even phone support are all integrated. The standout feature with LiveAgent is its ticketing system. It's very flexible and customizable, allowing teams to manage customer requests more effectively. But it's not all smooth sailing. Some users complain that the user interface can get cluttered, especially when you have multiple agents working at the same time. It could use a bit of streamlining to improve workflow. The third thing to consider is reporting. Kayako offers solid reporting options, but it can feel a bit basic compared to the depth of reporting available in LiveAgent. LiveAgent provides more detailed analytics, which can be very helpful for teams trying to identify bottlenecks or track agent performance over time. But the fourth thing that stands out for both platforms is pricing. Kayako's pricing is a bit on the expensive side, especially for smaller teams or businesses on a budget. LiveAgent, on the other hand, offers a more affordable entry-level plan, but as you scale up and need more features, it gets pricier, which could add up fast. Both Kayako and LiveAgent are great options depending on your business size and needs. But let's be honest, while these tools offer good support, there are more intuitive, efficient, and cost-effective solutions out there. I've personally tested them, and if you're looking for something that's easier to set up, has a more modern interface, and offers deeper integrations, there's one option that I'd recommend over both of these. So, while Kayako and LiveAgent have their merits, if you want a better alternative that's going to help you streamline your help desk operations with less hassle, be sure to check out the free trial through the first link in the description. This exclusive offer will give you the best free trial and extra benefits just for watching this video. Try it today and see how much easier your help desk operations can be.